Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show how you create a photo design using just your mobile. We will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean eye-catching design. Select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, select the sticker, click the color option, change the color, select the color. Thanks for watching and see in next tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.